Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the drowned flower in Curry Garden game of Roblox latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. So this is one of the seeds or one of the plants from the season pass, and it's already season 4. And if you want to get the drowned flower seed, you need to level up until level 3. Or you can also buy it from the store, the season store. You need to buy the season 4 seed pack, and you will have 40% chance to get the drowned flower. Okay, and I'm going to show you how this flower looks like. Okay, it's small guys, but it's a multi-harvest plant. Okay, this one, I've already harvested this flower, and I'm going to show you the base value of this flower. Let's click on this menu. Oh, it's around for 40k shekels. So it's good. Even though it's small, but it has high value. I think it's worth to keep in your garden. Thank you guys, and that's all about the drowned flower and Curry Garden Game Over Blocks latest update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.